My friend Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and it is Fold It time. I love our Fold It Club. It's probably one of our fastest growing clubs because it is so incredibly exciting. Not only do you get a shaped card, also known as a Fold It, every single month, you also get 2 stencils that coordinate with that Fold It. Are you ready for this month's? Get set, here we go. It is a camper Fold It, and let me just tell you, it is so cute. Perfect for summertime, perfect for the fall, perfect for any time of the year, right? Look at how cute it is. It has a little door on it, has a cute little window. Now you're also getting 2 stencils that go with it. This is showing you one of them. Now let me show you up close and personal what it looks like. You are getting the cactus with the cute little prickly things separate so you can layer those. You're also getting an awesome mound of dirt this way, but then you can also turn it that way, so it's a different mound. Then we also gave it to you like at the top edge as well. So you could have flat ground, you could have a hill on your ground, lots of different options. The other stencil is really fun because it decorates your cute little camper. So there's stripes down here, there's fun dots for the door, there's little dots for the curtains and the tire top. There's all these different fun little scallops and some fun little pennant flags, lots of fun. Now, you also get, of course, with all of our clubs, a handy dandy postcard with some ideas. Never fear, my friends, there are more ideas on our website, in our online gallery, so go check that out as well. Let me show you just a couple samples that I have, and then I'm gonna start to make one just so you can kind of get an idea if you're new to Fold Its, what they look like. So here's an example of a cute little camper, so adorable. Here's one that's all dressed up and ready to go. I absolutely love this one. So cute. It's like all hitched and ready to go. And then not only are they shaped cards, but they can also go on a card front. Look at how awesome that is. So now you can also put that on a card front. Here we have the cactus in the background with using the stencil. So awesome, right? Now, just what if you're new to Fold Its and you're not quite sure what they are? Well, you know what? Let me show you how easy peasy they are to do because you're gonna fall in love pretty much instantly. Now, they come with a die that is A2 in size when die cut. That means 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. That means it's a standard card size. Now on the back, the very, very back, it'll say place fold here on the top and place fold here on the side. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold your cardstock in half, okay? Just fold that cardstock. Now I have a fold right here. And what I'm gonna do is it says place fold here. I'm gonna put that fold right under that. So look at this, you can see my fingers under there, right under that. And I'm gonna add just a little piece of washi tape or a little bit of masket tape, anything to tape that down so it doesn't move when I run it through my die cut machine. I'm gonna grab a die cut machine and I'm gonna simply run this through. So simple. Now the nice thing about our Fold Its is they also will fit in the MIDI machine, which is always handy dandy, right? So we're running that through. So simple. And what we have here, dun, 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 are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at this. It is a card. A2 in size, hard to see because I'm in black. A2 in size, look at how awesome that is. Now, it is a little flat on the top. Some dies, it doesn't matter because, you know, maybe it's supposed to be flat on the top. But sometimes, like this one, it's supposed to be a little curved. Well, let me show you what you're gonna do in that case. We are going to trim down our cardstock because we just need a little bit. Whoops, trim it down, here we go. There we go. And we are going to run this through our die cut machine regularly. We're just running it through normal, how we normally would die cut. No fold, no nothing. It's just a regular die cut. We're gonna run that through. And I'm using the same color. You don't have to use the same color. You could use a different color if you wanted to. And now what we have is we have that shape, but with the normal edge. So what we can do is add adhesive to the back of this and lay it on top, and now I no longer have that funny looking flat edge at the top. And look at that, perfect, right? So you can open that up and you have your cute little card. Now, it also comes, of course, with the decorating die, right? So we have all of these different options on there. Now, most of the pieces, 2 pieces pop out automatically, but the rest are held on by these little tiny chads. So if you wanted a different color door, you would just snip, 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 and it would fall out and you could add a different color door. But I want to show you how easy and fun the stencil is. So you're going to grab a piece of scratch paper And I'm gonna grab my stencil and I'm gonna lay this down and I'm gonna add some stripes to that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly get a red brush. Normally I'd tape this down and everything, but I'm just gonna give you kind of the basics here. I just want you to see exactly how awesome possum this is. So there we go. We're gonna line this up, spend an extra second lining it up, making sure that it gets on there, right? And we're gonna go over that and we are gonna be adding fun little stripes to our camper. Let's get up, moved it a little bit, but that's okay. That's why you would use tape. There we go. So now we have cute little stripes at the bottom. Isn't that adorable? And then I'm looking at this saying, oh, well, I want dotted little, cute little curtains in here. So I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna add just a little tiny bit. And boom, now I have dotted curtains if I want. I could also add dots to the door. I can add this cute little thing to the wheel thing that goes over it. There's even a little circle, half circled stitched that I can add to the tire if I want to. Lots of different options. Now, really quick, I also want to show you how fun this ground one is. Because not only do you get the cactus, there you go, can see it, but you're also gonna get this dirt one. So if you had, or it could even be grass, but let me just show you really quick how cool, whoops, really cool how this looks, because I just want you to see how fun it is to make that cute little hill. So there we have a little hill, right? And if I flip it over, I can make another hill behind it. And normally you'd probably use a different color, but we'll go really dark on this one so you can really see it. But it's really fun to mix and match. This could be grass also, don't forget. It could be dirt, it could be red dust, whatever. But you can get that different look each and every time. And of course it has another one up at the top. So there's so many different options. Now, Foldit Club members, you know the deal. Yours are on their way to you automatically. Isn't that exciting? So we charge your credit cards on the 24th and Ken gets them out in the mail before or around the 1st of the month. So just be warned, it's a couple of days, but usually he tries to get them out sooner than the 1st of the month. So very exciting. Now, if you're not in the club, I want you to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch that video. It explains the 4 different clubs that we have, the different benefits like club discounts, club points, club freebies, club anniversary gifts, and how exciting all of our clubs are. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and check out Join the Club. And thanks so much. And guess what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye.